Good morning! I'm Jervel Dulfo, and did you know that there is a kind of wave that if they are not existing, there will be very big changes in our universe? They are called electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are emitted by accelerating electric charges and often by electrons in atoms. They are a form of traveling electrical and magnetic transverse waves and have a common properties. They exhibit reflection, refraction, diffraction, and interference. They travel at the speed of light 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second in vacuum, and they obey the wave equation. Electromagnetic waves consist of both electric and magnetic field waves. The electric field results from the force of voltage, and the magnetic field results from the flow of current. These waves oscillate in perpendicular planes with respect to each other and are in phase. Hans Christian Ørsted was a Danish physicist and chemist who discovered the connection between electric currents and magnetic fields. He noticed a compass needle deflected from magnetic north when an electric current from a battery was switched on and off, confirming a direct relationship between electricity and magnetism. Characteristics of electromagnetic waves. The first characteristics of electromagnetic waves is that they can travel through a vacuum. That means they do not require a medium to travel. The second characteristic is that in a vacuum, they travel at the speed of light. The speed of light is given by a variable of c is equal to 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The speed is constant in all forms of electromagnetic waves and vacuum. What is the frequency of radio waves with wavelength of 20 meters? Given is velocity is equal to 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second and the wavelength is 20 meters. Wave equation is equal to velocity is equal to wavelength times frequency. Divide both sides per wavelength, then cancel out the wavelength. The frequency is equal to velocity over wavelength. Frequency is equal to velocity, which is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second, over wavelength, which is 20 meters. We will show you the answer in 5 seconds. Please pause if you want to answer this on your own. The answer is equal to 1.5 times 10 raised to 7 Hz. What is the frequency of light waves with wavelength of 5 times 10 raised to negative 7 meters? Given is velocity is equal to 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second and the wavelength is 5 times 10 raised to negative 7 meter. Frequency is equal to velocity over wavelength. Frequency is equal to velocity, which is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second, over the wavelength, which is 5 times 10 raised to negative 7 meters. We will show you the answer in 5 seconds. Please pause if you want to answer this on your own. The answer is equal to 6 times 10 raised to 14 Hz. Now you know the characteristics, properties, and formulas of the electromagnetic waves. And that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.